So this workshop is to approach how we describe the barriers to peace within. So we're going to reflect on that. We're going to first of all try to look at what it takes to cover up the black spot within us. So to represent that, I've got some coal. So we're going to cover the black spot with some tissue paper, and the tissue paper represents the fragility of the notion of peace. And then we're going to allow that to be a reflective process to examine what stops us from having peace within. And things that come out of that are then going to be drawn and written onto a piece of slate. And the two pieces together will form a unit for a big installation that hopefully will come together at the National Library of Wales.